Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I wanted to get a quick video on this little grill smoker since I got it painted up and everything. I went with a brown and black on it. I'm getting it warmed up now to put some chicken wings on it. I think everything came out real good with the paint and stuff on it. I'm actually liking it quite a bit. But I'm going to put some chicken wings on there. And it's going to be kind of a strange combination of chicken wings. I got a garlic parmesan seasoning and a lemon pepper seasoning. And I thought I had some garlic parmesan sauce to go with it, but we had already used it for something. I didn't realize it. So I'm just going to use regular barbecue sauce. But it's just 2 of these seasoning packs you can get from Walmart. They actually go really good together. At the end of the video I was saying it tasted a little strange with the garlic parmesan and the barbecue sauce together. But after they set for about 30-40 minutes, man, them flavors really blended together. And they were actually really good. There's really not a whole lot to them. Just getting them put on there. I had that seasoning on them for a couple of hours. Then I'll flip them around every 20 minutes or so. I didn't put salt on them at first, so I'm going to go ahead and put some Tony's on there. Tony's got plenty of salt in it. And they're coming along slowly but surely. They've been in there a little over an hour now. I'm going to go ahead and start saucing them. They'll still be in there another 30 minutes, 40 minutes probably. That's a good thing about smoking on these reverse flows. You can put that sauce on there. You ain't going to hardly burn that sauce up. And now we're pretty much in business there. A weird combination with regular barbecue sauce, a lemon pepper seasoning, and a garlic parmesan seasoning. It's good, but it's a little strange that you taste that garlic parmesan with barbecue sauce. Yeah, like I say, it's good. It's just a little strange, those 2 flavors together. Would I do it again? Probably not. But it's not bad at all, it's just a little strange. But anyway, I'm gonna get to working on these. I just wanted to show the smoker since I got it painted up and everything. And do another cook on it. So that'll pretty much do it for this one. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.